We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the Spanish professional footballer. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and so often mispronounced names from football as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Álvaro Morata. Álvaro Morata is how it is said in Spanish, so it'd be fine in English to say it as Álvaro. Álvaro. Really, you should use a B sound for the V here, because that's how it is said in Spanish. So rather than Álvaro, rather say Álvaro or Álvaro Morata. Álvaro Morata from Spanish, Álvaro Morata. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names from football whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.